Hey everyone, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to the Zaini'S kitchen. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make half moon donuts. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, and I would like to thank all my new subscribers, of course. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel, and for my old subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. You guys are amazing. And yeah, don't forget to on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. Okay guys, as you can see, I have already my mixing bowl over here. So I'm gonna add a quarter cup of sugar, and then I'm gonna add my 3 tablespoons of melted butter, following with my 1 large egg. Now I'm gonna add quarter cup milk. This is a fresh milk. You can add any milk that you like. Then I'm gonna just mix it well. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of yeast. By the way guys, you don't need to do exactly the way I'm doing. You have to add your yeast in the warm milk. The milk that I add here, it was warm, so you have to add in the milk and leave it for 10 minutes before mixing in the eggs. Okay, so after 10 minutes, then you can mix with eggs. Then you can add your 2 cups of plain flour. This is a plain flour. Then I'm gonna just go ahead and mix well with the spoon. If you feel your dough is too hard, you can go ahead and add more warm milk. Must be warm, okay? You don't be scared of adding milk. Must add more milk until you feel your dough is nicely soft. Now we're going to knead the dough until it's nicely smooth. Okay, once you're done, just bring olive oil about 1 tablespoon and add in the same bowl where we make our dough. Now we're going to place the dough and cover with the plastic wrap. Then you have to set aside for about 1 hour to rest. Okay, now it's after 1 hour. You have to flat the dough the way I'm doing here. Okay, for shaping my dough, I'm going to use this cup over here because I haven't got the dough cutter. If you have the dough cutter, it will be much better. So I'm gonna just follow with knife because this cup, it doesn't cut the dough. So I'm gonna just follow with knife and cut it nicely. Then I'm gonna just divide the dough in 2 parts like so. Do the same thing for the rest of the dough. Okay guys, as you can see, I finished shaping my dough or cutting my dough. I'm gonna take the rest of flour that is left and put it together. I'm gonna knit again and do the same thing until my dough is completely finished. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm done with shaping. Now I'm gonna go ahead and fry it. And guys, you must be careful with frying. We don't fry in too hot oil, otherwise it will just burn outside and inside it won't be cooked. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and fry until it's light golden. And also don't wait until it's light golden one side. You have to, once you finish putting, just you have to flip it over and over again until it's both side light golden at the same time. Our half moon tea donuts is done. Look how beautiful is that. It's so soft from inside and crispy from outside. This is exactly what I was looking for. I make this special for tea. You can eat it as the snacks, and also it's perfect for lunchbox, for kids lunchbox. Okay, so if you did like this video guys, don't forget to give me a massive thumbs up, share with family and friends, and of course comment down below and tell me what you think about this recipe guys. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.